China has over 240,000 registered factories, and most importers keep buying the same 10 products everyone else is already selling. Today, we are going in a different direction entirely. 11 machines, 11 real business opportunities, all of them coming out of China right now. And most people watching this have never seen a single one of them before. Let's go! Machine 1. Paifeite. Automatic pen assembly machine. Every day, billions of pens are used around the world. But who makes them? This machine, the Paifeite automatic pen assembly machine, loads the barrel, inserts the refill, loads the spring, rotates the barrel to align every component, and delivers a finished pen. Fully automated, zero human hands between start and finish. Production rate up to 6,000 pens per hour. That is, one pen every half second. The global pen market is worth over $20 billion per year. The raw material cost of a single pen is a few cents. The retail price starts at 20 cents and climbs from there. The margin is in the volume, and the volume this machine produces is extraordinary. Machine 2. Wood pellet production line. What if your raw material cost was zero? That is the reality for this business. Sawdust, wood chips, and agricultural waste that factories pay to dispose of goes into this machine and comes out the other side as biomass fuel pellets worth $150 to $350 per ton. The rotary dryer you see here brings raw material from 50% moisture down to under 12%, making it ready for the pellet mill. The green pellet mill compresses it under extreme pressure. The wood binds itself using its own natural, no chemicals, no additives. Europe alone imports over 25 million metric tons of wood pellets every year. The demand is structural, the supply opportunity is enormous, and the raw material is free. Machine 3. Dexi vertical ring die pellet mill. This is the next evolution of pellet production technology. The Dexi vertical ring die design feeds material from the top using gravity instead of fighting it. The result is even distribution across the entire die surface, consistent compression pressure, and a more uniform, higher quality pellet than flat die machines of the same power rating. That hydraulic pressure gauge you see controls the roller force precisely. Harder pellets, lower moisture absorption, longer shelf life, higher prices in the market. The ring die itself, model BTW84 OE447.2-S-2, with hundreds of precision extrusion holes, produces standard 8mm pellets for both biomass energy and animal feed markets simultaneously. One machine, two markets, both growing. Machine 4. Yebao sawdust granulator. Watch the steam rising from the output chute. That is not smoke. That is moisture being driven out of eucalyptus sawdust under extreme compression pressure. Eucalyptus is one of the densest, fastest growing woods on earth. Dense wood means dense pellets. Dense pellets mean higher energy content per kilo. Higher energy content means premium prices. The pile of dark, uniform pellets accumulating in front of this machine was free raw material 30 minutes ago, swept off the floor of a sawmill. Now, it is a product that European industrial buyers pay hundreds of dollars per ton to import. That transformation from waste to value is the entire business model in one image. Machine 5. Compact pellet mill. In action. Stop looking at the machine. Look at the pile. That is finished product pouring continuously from a compact flat die pellet mill, small enough to fit in a garage. The pellets are hard, uniform, and commercially viable. Here is the scalability model most people miss. One machine produces 100 to 300 kilograms per hour. 3 machines running together produce 900 kilograms per hour. That is over 7 tons per day from a setup that fits in a space smaller than most living rooms. You start with one machine. You learn the process. You find buyers. Then you add machines in direct proportion to your growing order book. No large upfront investment. No slow build-up. Just machines waste material and paying customers. Machine 6, Onsen Robot Vacuum with auto-empty base. Now, we change direction completely because not every opportunity from China is industrial. This is the Onsen Robot Vacuum with auto-empty base station. The LiDAR navigation tower maps every room in real time and plans an efficient cleaning path before taking a single movement. It cleans in straight overlapping lines, the way a professional cleaner would. When it finishes, it docks itself and the base station vacuums all collected dust into a sealed bag that holds 30 full dustbin loads. You interact with this device roughly once a month. The global robot vacuum market exceeds $4 billion and is growing at over 20% per year. The auto-empty category is the fastest growing segment within that market. Chinese manufacturers produce these at wholesale prices that create significant import margins for resellers targeting US, European, and Indian consumers. Xinflying DTF printer. DTF stands for Direct to Film. And this printer is changing the custom merchandise business completely. The printhead you see moving at high-speed deposits full-color designs onto transfer film at 5.5 square meters per hour. That design then transfers permanently onto almost any fabric using a heat press in under 30 seconds. The material list tells you everything: nylon, cotton, leather, PVC, EVA, chemical fiber. One printer, every fabric type, every customer. A custom t-shirt costs $1 to $2 in materials, including the blank. It sells for $15 to $35 as a custom product. No inventory, no minimum runs. One customer, one design, one machine. That is the business model of 2026. Machine 8, Hutong Nonwoven. Converting. Machine. Every human being on earth uses this product every single day. The giant white roll feeding into the Hutong machine is non-woven fabric or tissue-based material. What comes out is facial tissue, wet wipe substrate, disposable towels, or medical non-wovens, depending on the tooling installed. The global tissue market in the United States alone exceeds $10 billion annually. Demand is not seasonal. It is not trend-dependent. It is as consistent as the morning routine of every person on earth. One converting machine. Universal demand. Raw material. Available from Chinese suppliers at competitive import pricing. Machine 9. Professional Espresso machine. Not every profitable machine looks industrial. The cost of coffee beans in a single espresso shot, 15 to 20 cents. The selling price, $5 to $7. That is a profit margin of over 90% on one of the most consumed beverages on earth. 100 shots per day at $5 each is $500 of daily revenue at 90% margin. That is $450 of daily profit from a machine that runs on water and electricity. You do not need a full coffee shop. A professional espresso machine in a barber shop, bookstore, gym, or co-working space generates revenue from customers already there for something else. Professional-grade machines from Chinese manufacturers at a fraction of European brand prices are available right now through Alibaba and Maiden. Machine 10, Nespresso Capsule Machine. The same product, the same result, a completely different business model. The Nespresso Latissima makes the coffee, but the real business is the capsule. A customer who buys a coffee machine buys capsules every month for years. That is not a one-time sale. That is a customer relationship with a predictable recurring revenue cycle that e-commerce platforms make easier to build than ever before. Machine 11. BMS Roll Forming Machine. We close with a machine that builds the physical world around you. The BMS Roll Forming Machine takes flat steel coil and shapes it continuously through hardened roller sets into precise structural profiles. The C-channel coming out of that punching station is used in wall framing, roof framing, solar panel mounting structures, cable management systems, and warehouse racking. At 15 meters per minute, this machine produces 900 meters of finished steel profile per hour. Every commercial building being constructed right now uses profiles exactly like these. Every solar farm being installed needs mounting rails produced by machines exactly like this one. The margin between raw steel coil and finished roll-formed profile is where this business lives. Processing adds value, and value-added manufacturing is the most reliable model in industrial commerce. BMS exports globally. The machines are available at a fraction of European equivalent pricing, with full technical support from rollforming-machinery.com. That is 11 machines, 11 real businesses. All of them operating right now. All of them available from China at competitive pricing. All of them serving markets with established, growing demand. The people who succeed with opportunities like these are the ones who act while everyone else is still watching. Hit the like button if this video opened your eyes to something new. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we cover machines and products from China that most entrepreneurs in the Western market have never seen. And drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 11 machines surprised you the most, and which one would you seriously consider importing? I read every single comment. See you in the next video.